Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King Nothing on bass. First, ensure your bass is tuned to standard E-A-D-G. This song primarily uses a pick, so grab one for that signature Metallica sound. Focus on a relaxed grip to maintain stamina. We'll begin with the main riff, which is quite repetitive and great for building consistency. Pay attention to the rhythm and feel of the song. The main riff is built around the open E and a strings, making it accessible for many players. You'll be alternating between these two strings with a consistent down-up picking motion. Focus on keeping your picking hand steady and your fretting hand light. Start at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Repetition is key here. Moving into the verse, the bass line simplifies, often following the root notes of the guitar chords. This provides a solid foundation for the vocals. The chorus then brings back the powerful main riff, driving the song's energy. Pay close attention to the song's structure and how the bass supports each section. Dynamic control, like playing slightly softer in verses, adds depth. The bridge section introduces a slight variation in the rhythm, requiring a bit more focus on timing. It's a great opportunity to challenge your internal clock. The outro then brings back the familiar main riff, gradually fading out. Remember to practice regularly, even for just 15 minutes a day, to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep rocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.